In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a folder out of a folder in Google Drive. This process is straightforward and can be mastered in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to access Google Drive. If you're not already there, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. You'll want to ensure you are logged into your Google account, so if you aren't, take a moment to do that. Once you've arrived at your Google Drive, you'll see a list of files and folders that you've stored there. This is your main directory where you can manage your content. Now let's locate the folder that contains the folder you want to move. Scan through your list of stored files and folders, or use the search bar at the top if you have a large number of items. To find the parent folder, click on this folder to open it. Inside you should see the folder that you wish to move. With the parent folder now open, look through its contents until you find the folder that you need to relocate. Once you've spotted it, click on it to select it. This step highlights the folder and prepares it for any actions you want to perform, like moving it to a different location in your drive. Next, you'll want to locate the Move icon. This icon is typically represented by a small folder with an arrow. You'll find it along the top bar of your Google Drive window. Clicking on this icon opens a new window or sidebar, which will allow you to choose the destination for your folder. In the window or sidebar that appears, you'll see a list of your Google Drive directories. Click on My Drive at the very top. This will show you the highest level of your Google Drive outside of any folders. It's here where you can place the folder you're moving to make it easily accessible from the main directory. Finally, with My Drive selected, look towards the bottom of the pane for the Move button. Clicking this button will initiate the move. You'll see a small pop-up confirming that your folder has been moved, and that's it. Your folder is now moved out of its parent folder and placed neatly into the main directory where you can access it without any additional navigation. Remember, moving folders around is a simple yet powerful tool in organizing the clutter of your digital workspace. You can repeat this process anytime you need to rearrange your files and folders within Google Drive, and soon enough you'll be able to do it effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in managing your Google Drive files more effectively.